Good morning! As the sun rises over the endless horizon, we're greeted by the Atlantic Ocean, a living, breathing expanse that has shaped the course of human history and the natural world alike. Today, let's journey across the Atlantic Ocean, a vast, powerful force that has shaped our world. Stretching over 41 million square miles, it's the second largest ocean on Earth, touching the lives of millions every single day. It's more than a blue space on the map. It's a bridge between continents, a source of life, and a driver of our planet's weather. The Atlantic links North and South America with Europe and Africa, connecting cultures, economies, and ecosystems in ways both seen and unseen. The Atlantic has witnessed epic voyages and carried the dreams and sorrows of humanity. From ancient explorers and daring adventurers to modern-day travelers and traders, its waves have been crossed by countless ships, each with its own story. When you stand on the shores of the Americas, Europe, or Africa, you're looking at a force that connects us all. The same tides that lap at distant beaches remind us that we share this planet, no matter where we call home. Its currents influence our weather, and its depths hold mysteries we're still uncovering. The Gulf Stream, for example, carries warm water across thousands of miles, shaping climates and supporting marine life along its path. The Atlantic has inspired artists, scientists, and dreamers for centuries. Its ever-changing moods, calm and serene one day, wild and stormy the next, have sparked creativity and curiosity in people from all walks of life. Whether you're a fisherman relying on its bounty, a scientist unlocking its secrets, or a child building sandcastles at the water's edge, the Atlantic means something special. It's a place of work, wonder, and play. It reminds us of nature's beauty and our responsibility to protect it. The Atlantic's health is vital, not just for the creatures that call it home, but for all of us who depend on its resources and its balance. So let's dive in and explore its size, history, wildlife, and the ways it shapes our lives. From the tiniest plankton to the largest whales, every part of this ocean plays a role in the story of our planet. The Atlantic is a global treasure, and understanding it helps us understand ourselves. Its waves have carried ideas, goods, and people across centuries, weaving together the fabric of our shared history. Join me on this journey. You'll see the world with new eyes, and perhaps discover a deeper connection to the mighty ocean that unites us all. The Pacific may be the largest ocean, stretching across nearly a third of our planet's surface, but size isn't everything when it comes to the story of our world's waters. The Atlantic is second to none in its impact on our world. Its waves have carried the hopes, dreams, and ambitions of countless generations, shaping the course of civilizations. Its name, drawn from the mighty Greek god Atlas, hints at its legendary strength and the weight it bears in both myth and reality. The Atlantic is a colossal expanse, stretching over 41 million square miles, separating the old world from the new and serving as a living bridge between continents. Once seen as an impassable barrier, it became a highway for exploration, trade, and migration, forever altering the destinies of nations and peoples. Its unique position has shaped the modern world, connecting continents and cultures, and fostering the exchange of ideas, goods, and traditions that define our global society. The Atlantic links the icy Arctic in the north to the wild Southern Ocean in the south, acting as a vital corridor for powerful ocean currents that drive our planet's climate. These currents distribute heat and nutrients across vast distances, fueling marine life and making the Atlantic the beating heart of Earth's ocean system. Its influence is felt far beyond its shores, regulating climate, supporting vibrant ecosystems, and sustaining millions of people who depend on its bounty. The Atlantic is the ocean of explorers, the engine of our climate, and a source of endless fascination, mystery, and inspiration for artists, scientists, and dreamers alike. Its story is one of connection, bridging lands, cultures, and eras of human history, reminding us that the world is more united than divided. Let's give the Atlantic the credit it deserves, a true giant, inspiring us all to look beyond horizons and cherish the waters that connect us. The Atlantic covers over 106 million square kilometers, enough to fit the United States more than 10 times. That's about 20% of Earth's surface and nearly 30% of its water area. Its average depth is 3,646 meters, over 2 miles down. The deepest point, the Puerto Rico Trench, plunges to 8,376 meters, so deep that Mount Everest would still be submerged. These staggering numbers reveal a world of immense scale and mystery. The Atlantic's size and depth allow it to support vast life, drive powerful currents, and shape our planet. It's a reminder of how much remains to be explored beneath the waves. The Atlantic is framed by the vast continents of the Americas to the west, stretching from the icy shores of the Arctic in the north all the way down to the tropical coasts of South America. To the east, it meets the ancient lands of Europe and Africa, forming a striking S shape that is instantly recognizable on any world map, a natural boundary that has shaped history and geography for millennia. In the north, the Atlantic connects with the frigid Arctic Ocean, where cold currents and drifting sea ice mark the meeting of two powerful marine worlds. To the south, it merges with the wild expanse of the Southern Ocean, making the Atlantic a crucial link in the global network of water circulation that drives our planet's climate and weather patterns. Deep beneath the surface, the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, the world's longest mountain range, runs like a spine down the ocean's center. This underwater seam is where new ocean floor is born, as molten rock rises and cools, slowly pushing the continents apart. This ongoing geological activity is what formed the Atlantic millions of years ago, and it continues to widen the ocean by a few centimeters every year, subtly reshaping the face of the Earth. The Atlantic's unique geography links continents, connects distant oceans, and influences climates across the globe, acting as a bridge between worlds. Its borders have made it a crossroads of civilization, a highway for explorers, traders, and migrants, and a vital part of Earth's climate system, shaping weather patterns and ocean currents that affect millions. Beneath the waves, the Atlantic is a dynamic, ever-changing world, teeming with life and shaped by powerful currents, tides, and storms. Its hidden wonders, towering underwater mountains, deep trenches, and vibrant ecosystems, are in constant motion, continuing to shape our planet in ways both seen and unseen. The Atlantic's geography is a story of connection, transformation, and endless discovery, a living testament to the power and mystery of the world's oceans. The Atlantic began forming 200 million years ago as Pangaea split apart. Over millions of years, the rift filled with water, giving birth to the Atlantic Ocean, a process still ongoing today. For centuries, it was a barrier of myth and mystery, until the age of discovery. Explorers like Columbus crossed its expanse, opening new eras of contact and change. But the Atlantic also witnessed the tragedy of the transatlantic slave trade, a dark chapter that shaped societies on both sides. The ocean's currents carried ships of discovery and ships of sorrow. The Atlantic has been a barrier, a bridge, and a witness to humanity's triumphs and tragedies. Its history is deeply intertwined with our own, shaping cultures and economies. The waves of the Atlantic carry stories of ancient continents, explorers, and the enduring quest for connection. Beneath the Atlantic's surface lies a world of incredible biodiversity. From tiny plankton to the blue whale, its habitats support thousands of species. Whales migrate thousands of miles, dolphins leap through waves, and manatees and seals thrive in its waters. Sea turtles cross the ocean, returning to their birth beaches to lay eggs, a story of endurance. The Atlantic's fish, from cod to tuna to sharks, feed millions and keep the ecosystem balanced. Coral reefs in the Caribbean and off Florida are vibrant underwater cities, sheltering countless species. The Atlantic's rich biodiversity is a treasure we must protect for the future. The Atlantic is a superhighway for global trade, with busy shipping lanes connecting major ports. Its waters support massive fishing industries, providing food and jobs for millions. Beneath the seabed lie valuable oil and gas reserves, powering economies but also posing environmental risks. Offshore platforms extract these resources, highlighting the need for strict safety and sustainability. The Atlantic's economic importance touches nearly every aspect of our lives, even far from its shores. Balancing economic activity with ocean health is a challenge we must meet. The Atlantic provides jobs, resources, and trade routes essential to our world. Protecting its health ensures it can provide for generations to come. The Atlantic is a powerful force in shaping weather and climate. Hurricanes form over its warm tropical waters, bringing dramatic storms to the Americas. The Gulf Stream, a massive warm water current, carries heat from the Gulf of Mexico to Europe, moderating climates far away. This river in the ocean is stronger than all the world's rivers combined. Thanks to the Gulf Stream, Western Europe enjoys milder winters than other places at similar latitudes. The Atlantic's currents and temperatures influence weather patterns worldwide. Scientists monitor these systems closely, as small changes can have big impacts. The Atlantic is an active participant in the climate system that shapes our environment. The Atlantic is a magnificent, vital part of our world, a source of life, a driver of our economy, and a force shaping our climate. Its currents regulate weather, its waters teem with life, and its trade routes fuel our society. But the Atlantic faces challenges. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change threaten its health. Coral reefs are bleaching, and hurricanes are growing more intense. Protecting this ocean is a responsibility we all share. We must find sustainable solutions and reduce our impact to keep the Atlantic vibrant. Let's be inspired by its resilience and beauty, and commit to being better stewards. By cherishing the Atlantic, we cherish our planet and secure a healthier future. The Atlantic's next chapter depends on us. It's a mighty ocean with a mighty story. Let's ensure it's one of hope and wonder.